Halo installations are vast superstructures, roughly 10,000 kilometers in diameter. As expected, a construct of such size demands an on-site system which can offer visitors both locational and directional information. And therein lay the origins of the Cartographer. While the term map room refers to the specific compartment where the holographic map projection is generated, the Cartographer is, in essence, the entire complex which remains in constant communication with all parts of the ring. Unlike typical maps, the Cartographer is not bound by changes in structure of the ring or its general performance, which is perhaps why the facility itself is referred to as a map maker. Every projection is in real time and reflects the ring's precise state at the moment it is queried. When accessed by an artificial intelligence, it can be manipulated to an even greater degree of accuracy, identifying critical risks and providing waypoint indicators where needed. Protecting the Cartographer are a number of security measures developed to prevent access by the Flood or another hostile species, safely locking the map room proper deep within the facility. The Cartographer's importance is unquestionable, as it provides all those who access it with the location of Halo's control room and the mechanism to fire the rings. The library's activation index.